Welcome to the NASH 2025 SEB Installation Guide. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to install the Safe Exam browser. Before you begin, ensure that you are connected to the internet and have the correct link for the installation. Next, copy the link provided, paste it into your browser, and press Enter. You will be redirected to a Google Drive page. Just click the download button to start downloading the installer. Wait for the download to finish successfully. Kindly be reminded that this may take a few moments. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder to locate the installer file. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation. When prompted, click the I agree and the Install button. Wait for the application to install fully. This should only take a minute or two. After installation, look for the Safe Exam browser icon on your desktop. For final setup, coordinate with your technical officer at the assessment site for the SEB configuration for the actual assessment environment. Congratulations and good luck! You are one step closer to achieving your goal.